P3, now look at question number 7. The statement is Lixin is standing 7.05 meters away from the statue. This is a statue and this is Lixin. And Lixin is standing 7.05 meters away from the statue of the Merlion MP at Merlion Park, Singapore. The height of her eyes from her feet is 1.55 meters. Okay, so this height is of 1.55 meters. Given that the angle of elevation of the top of the statue from her eyes is 42 degrees, find the height of the statue. You are supposed to find out this height, means you are supposed to find out MP. So how you will solve question number 7? Let's come to the solution. Okay, so we have this diagram, this figure, and you're supposed to find out the length of MP. MP means the length of the statue. Okay, so we have the angle of elevation 42 degrees and we have 7.05 according to this angle. 7.05 meters is the adjacent side of 42 degrees and we have the hypotenuse. And first we will find out the hypotenuse, means the mx length. If we have the adjacent side and the hypotenuse, so which formula we will use? We will use TOA, tangent opposite over adjacent. So we will start the question at the point where the horizontal line from Lixin's eyes meets the statue BX. Then the equation becomes tan 42 is equal to opposite mx over 7.05 adjacent, and then we will get mx length is equal to 6.348 meters to 4 significant figures. Now height of the statue, what will be the height of the statue? We will add 6.335, 6.348 plus 1.55. We will add the both values and then we will get 7.90 meters to 3 significant figures. So the height of the statue is 7.90 meters. So this is question number 7 of exercise 11D. Now look at question number 8. The height of a building WH is 8 meters. This is the height of a building which is 8 meters. PQR is a flagpole. PQR, it's a flagpole, and WQ is a horizontal cable connected to the top of the building and to the flagpole. Given that angle PWQ is equal to 35.4 degrees and WRH is equal to 24.3 degrees, find the height of the flagpole. You are supposed to find out this height PQR. So how you will find out? Let's come to the solution. Okay, so we have this figure and first we will solve triangle HRW, and according to this triangle we have 24.3 degrees angle, and with reference to a given angle the adjacent side is this HR and the opposite side is 8 meters WH. So if we have the opposite side and the adjacent side, so which formula we will use? We will use tangent opposite over adjacent. So in triangle HRW, the equation becomes tan 24.3 is equal to 8 over HR, and then we will get HR length is equal to 17.72 meters to 4 significant figures. So HR length is 17.72 meters and HR is equal to WQ. WQ is also 17.72 meters. So WQ is equal to HR is equal to 17.72 meters. Now we will take triangle PQW. PQW. And we have the adjacent side. We have the angle 35.4 degrees and you are supposed to find out the length of PQ. So if you have the adjacent side and the opposite side, so which formula you will use? Again you will use tan formula, TOA. Tan 35.4 is equal to PQ over 17.72 and then we will get PQ length 12.59 meters to 4 significant figures. So first we have calculated the QR length. QR is equal to 17.72. QR is equal to 8 meters. WH is equal to 8 meters and then QR also equals to 8 meters. So first we have QR 8 meters and then we will find out PQ length which is 12.59 meters. So you are supposed to find out the length of the flagpole PQR. So if we add up these two given values, then we can easily find out the length of the flagpole. So height of the flagpole PR is equal to PQ plus QR, 12.59 plus 8, and then we will get 20.6 meters to 3 significant figures. So this is question number 8. Now look at question number 9. This is the last question of exercise 11D. Rest of all the questions are excluded. So question number 9, a plank of length 4 meters rests against a wall 1.8 meters. High such that 1.2 meters of the plank lies beyond the wall. Find the angle the plank makes with the wall. So first we will draw the diagram of question number 9 and then we will solve it. So this is the figure of question number 9. And first we have taken the angle as 8 degrees, and according to this angle we have the adjacent side 1.8 meters, and the plank length is 4 meters. This complete length is of 4 meters, but then they will say that height such that 1.2 meters of the plank lies beyond the wall. Okay, so 1.2 meters is beyond the wall, so we just take the required value which is seen. We will subtract 4 minus 1.2 and then we will get 2.8 meters. So in this way you will get the plank length as 2.8 meters. So if you have the hypotenuse side and the adjacent side, so we will use cosine adjacent over hypotenuse. So the equation becomes, first you will take, let the angle the plank makes with the wall be 8 degrees, and then the equation becomes cos A is equal to 1.8 divided by 4 minus 1.2, and then we will get 8 degrees is equal to cos inverse 1.8 divided by 2.8 is equal to 50.0 degrees to 1 decimal place. So the plank makes an angle of 50.0 degrees with the wall. So today we have completed exercise 11D, question number 1 till question number 9. This is all for today.